Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to take a screenshot on this device. The fastest way how to make a screenshot on this device is three-finger screenshot method. That is very simple. First of all, you want to place three fingers on your screen like this and swipe down very quickly, just like this. But if this gesture does not work, then let's open settings quickly. Now we want to go to section accessibility and convenience. From here, scroll down to screenshot section and please enable three-finger swipe down. And as well, enable three-finger touch and hold. This is for the next method that I want to show you, the partial screenshot. So this method is suitable for you if you want to capture only small area of your screen without cropping the picture later. So the gesture is that you want to touch and hold the screen with three fingers simultaneously like this, and the selection box will appear on your screen, and you want to drag the corners to adjust the size. So let's suppose that I want to take a screenshot of this area. Additionally, you can adjust it a little bit as you wish, as you need. And additionally, you can choose its shape. So it could be square, circle, or the region that you want to capture. So it could be like this, any shape that you want. Okay, and now let's tap this check mark in the top right to save it to your gallery, and you can see your screenshots in your gallery. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.